Former Attorney General Bill Barr is calling out a judge's ruling allowing a special master to review documents the FBI seized from former President Trump's Florida home. Barr, who was appointed by Trump, calls the ruling wrong, and he's not the only one criticizing it. CNN's Brian Todd has more.
This 41-year-old judge from South Florida finds herself at the center of the legal and political battles in the Mar-a-Lago document fight. Following her granting of Donald Trump's request for a special master to review material the FBI seized at Mar-a-Lago, the former president appeared to praise Judge Aileen Cannon, posting a statement saying, quote, "It takes courage and guts to fight a totally corrupt Department of Justice and FBI." But Judge Cannon is being slammed on other fronts. New York University law professor Chris Sprigman saying on Twitter, Cannon's decision is, quote, "partisan hack judging." Others, while not going that far, do say the optics of Judge Cannon's connection to Trump at least raise questions.
I don't know whether she was partisan because she was appointed by Trump. It does seem that she certainly bent over backwards to help him in this case.
Judge Cannon was nominated to the federal bench by Trump in May of 2020. She was confirmed just days after the 2020 presidential election. Former acting U.S. Attorney Michael Sherwin, a friend of Aileen Cannon's, told us her appointment by Trump wouldn't have prompted her to tip the scales on Trump's behalf. Sherwin saying, quote, "She's going to make sure the former president's rights were protected, just as all citizens' rights should be protected." During her confirmation hearing, Cannon thanked members of her family, including her maternal grandparents, who she said had to flee Cuba in 1960, and her mother.
To my loving mother, Mercedes Cuevas, who at the age of 7 had to flee the repressive Castro regime in search of freedom and security. Thank you for teaching me about the blessing it is this country and the importance of securing the rule of law for generations to come.
A graduate of the University of Michigan Law School, Aileen Cannon once practiced law at a firm in Washington, where she said she handled cases related to government investigations. She told the Senate she had also served as an assistant U.S. attorney in Florida in the Major Crimes Division. CNN analyst Jennifer Rogers says her criticisms of Judge Cannon's ruling granting a special master are purely legal. Rogers disagrees with Cannon's support of Trump's claim that he suffered irreparable harm in the seizing of the documents from Mar-a-Lago. And she believes Cannon overstepped in ordering the Justice Department to temporarily stop using the seized documents in its investigation in the Mar-a-Lago case.
Upon what authority did Judge Cannon actually tell the Justice Department how it can and cannot conduct its investigations?